Alright guys, my boy Josue. So we're on our way to Cleveland Power and Performance. We're gonna pick up the what is it? Front bumper.
Yup.
So my license is suspended right now until like the end of the week. Alright guys, so it's a boss. This is like around 2 weeks after I recorded that video. I still do not have my license. It's all up to the court. And I'll still be on driving privileges until March 2nd. Leave for the past like 2-3 months. I got a really bad speeding ticket, and yeah, they ended up suspending my license for 3 months. Still waiting on driving privileges. Hopefully within another week or two I should have my driving privileges, so then I can record some videos for you guys, so you guys are able to see the cars. But yeah, back to the video. I'm gonna see. But yeah, as of right now, my boy Josue is taking us to go pick up the parts. It's like a 20-minute drive. Yeah, we're gonna cut back to whenever we get there. Alright guys, so we made it to Cleveland Power and Performance. I called ahead just to make sure that they had the part out for me. So they took it off of a 2017 Hellcat, I believe. I think you could just park right here. And we can just go inside and pay for the part. Alright, we're gonna cut back to whenever we get the part because I don't want to record it now. Alright, so we are inside of Cleveland Power and Performance. Let's get the check. We're waiting on them to get the part out. We're also picking up the rear tail lights that go on the quarter panel. Yeah, so we're gonna come back to whenever the part comes out. Alright guys, so we just paid off the parts here at Cleveland Power and Performance. Josue is about to back up the car over here so he can pick the parts up. You caught them. Alright, so lose this receipt because it's gonna be hard to find another one. So here's the rear bumper. I accidentally cut the video off. But yeah, so this one came with the reflectors that I was already gonna get, and then I had the side vents, and it doesn't have the diffuser. I was already planning on taking off the diffuser, so yeah. So here are the tail lights. Sorry, I'm recording the video.
Yo, what up? We got a freaking high tail light for you from a Scatpack or maybe a Hellcat. It's the left-hand side. Bumper bar here. Stock number it came off of was 21086, and it goes with this beautiful SRT Scatpack or maybe SRT Hellcat bumper.
Hey, what? Niggas already know what the fuck going on, man. Me and my shooters in this bitch. I got Luke in this bitch. This boy don't even know who the fuck he is today. He going too stupid on fire.
And hopefully we can get this bumper in.
Hey, what? Hey, what? Gang. I'm a trench baby mud boy. I don't know no shit. I just played the cards. I was dealt. Now I got stacks on deck. Phone them fresh up out that box. He hit me on.
Hopefully you guys seen all of that. We got everything in the back. It's cold, so we're gonna drive back to the shop now. Alright guys, so I'm still editing, and apparently I forgot to record a video once I got back to the shop. So at that point I had got the rear bumper, 2 tail lights, and then as soon as I got back to the shop I needed to get the quarter panel cut. So basically I ended up calling back to Cleveland Power and Performance, and they had a rear body, like basically half of a car, which I'll show some pictures of.
I'm a trench baby mud boy. I don't know no shit. I just played the cards. I was dealt. Now I got stacks on deck. Phone them fresh up out that box. He hit me on security.
So we ended up taking that. Well, I didn't take it. I had to call a tow truck, and he had to pick it up from them and take it all the way to the body shop. The next footage is actually gonna be of the, the piece that I got at the body shop. So let's cut back to the video. hopefully today they're gonna take the charger, they're gonna put it on the tow truck and take it out to the body shop. So I'm just moving it up. So yeah, I'm gonna cut back to whenever I'm outside of the car so you guys can see it going on the tow truck. So here's the car. So I took the tail light off yesterday because it was cracked, so I ended up getting another one. That's inside of the car. It's under here. And yeah, so I put all the extra parts in there. Whatever I could take apart, I took it apart. I think they're gonna fix that quarter panel. I don't think they're gonna change it, but if they are, they already have the half of the car, so it's gonna be an easy fix. Alright, so the car's about to leave right now.
Hey, bitch. I'm scared of loving your little bump ass. I ain't even gonna call you a slut bug because the whole time I was doing the same thing.
So hopefully I'll be able to get a video at the body shop today, and I'll try and get updates for you guys whenever they start working on the car.
But I said it a couple times. My bitch told me I said way too much fucking drink.
There it goes. Hopefully you guys can see me. But yeah, so I don't know what else to say. Alright guys, so I just made it to the body shop. This was the half of the car that I bought. It comes with the interior and stuff. It comes with all the brackets, the trunk, and basically they're gonna take this quarter panel and saw it off that car, end up putting it on this car. I think they're gonna be able to fix this, but I'm not sure. If not, then they're gonna be able to just cut it off of that car and put it on this one. They have all the brackets that are needed. Like I said, everything. Even if the glass breaks, they have another, you know, piece of glass to replace it with. There's the gas cap. Yeah, so it basically has everything. In the next video, we're gonna talk about what they're gonna do to the car and show you guys the whole process.